Welcome to day 22 of Daily AI Wizard, my incredible wizards. I'm Anastasia, your thrilled guide, and I'm buzzing with excitement. Ready to shape AI's ethical future? Today, we're diving into advanced AI ethics, mind-blowing moral magic for a responsible world. This 20-minute journey will captivate you. You won't want to miss a single second. Let's master ethical AI. Isabella, what's sparking your curiosity?
Hi, I'm Isabella, and I'm thrilled to explore advanced AI ethics. It's about tackling global AI challenges, and it's awe-inspiring. I'm so ready to learn with you, Anastasia. This is going to be epic. Let's unlock deeper moral secrets.
Hey, I'm Sophia, and I'm pumped to join you. Advanced AI ethics tackles big issues like global governance, and it's pure wizardry. I'm teaming up with Ethan for a Python demo auditing AI ethics. It's going to be transformative. Stick with us to master this magic. I'm thrilled to show you what's next. Let's shape a fair AI future.
Today we're diving into advanced AI ethics, and I'm so thrilled. We'll explore complex concepts, global governance, long-term risks, and ethical auditing techniques. We'll build a Python demo to audit AI compliance. This journey will shape your ethical vision. Let's master moral magic. Get ready for global AI ethics. Isabella, why are advanced ethics exciting?
They tackle big AI issues, Anastasia. Global ethics ensure a fair future, and I'm hooked. I'm so ready to learn these techniques. This will redefine AI's role. Let's unlock its potential.
Advanced AI ethics tackle complex challenges. They address global and systemic issues, including long-term risks, and require interdisciplinary solutions. They shape AI's moral future. This is next-level AI magic. I'm thrilled to explore it. Let's tackle these challenges. Get ready for big ideas. Isabella, what's a key advanced ethics focus?
Global governance, Anastasia. It ensures AI benefits humanity, and it's so critical. I'm excited to see how it works. It's like AI with a global conscience. This is transformative.
Why do advanced ethics matter? They mitigate systemic biases, address global AI impacts, prevent existential risks, and ensure sustainable AI growth. They're vital for humanity's future. This is crucial AI magic. I'm so thrilled to share. Let's see their importance. Ethics shape AI's destiny. Isabella, why global impacts?
They affect everyone, Anastasia. Global ethics ensure AI is fair worldwide, and I love its scope. I'm eager to dive deeper. This is AI with a world view.
Systemic bias is a major issue. It spreads across AI systems, like cross-cultural biases requiring structural fixes. Ethics demand systemic audits to address it. This is advanced AI magic. I'm excited to break it down. Let's audit these biases. This ensures systemic fairness. Isabella, why systemic bias?
It's deeply rooted, Anastasia. Systemic bias affects entire systems, and I'm thrilled to fix it. It's like untangling a web. This makes AI equitable.
Global AI governance is key. It coordinates international policies like UNESCO's AI principles, balancing innovation and ethics. It promotes universal standards for fairness. This is global AI magic. I'm thrilled to explore it. Let's govern AI globally. This unites the world. Isabella, why global governance?
It unifies AI ethics, Anastasia. Global policies ensure fairness everywhere, and I'm excited. It's like a world treaty. This builds global trust.
Long-term AI risks are critical. They include existential threats like autonomous weapons, requiring proactive ethics to mitigate catastrophes. This shapes AI's safe future. I'm so excited to dive in. Let's address these risks. This protects humanity. Isabella, why long-term risks?
They're about our future, Anastasia. Preventing threats is vital, and I'm thrilled to learn this. It's like safeguarding tomorrow. This ensures AI safety.
Ethical AI auditing is essential. It evaluates AI compliance using metrics and frameworks, like fairness audits, ensuring ethical alignment. It's the backbone of advanced ethics. I'm thrilled to share this. Let's audit AI ethically. This upholds moral standards. Isabella, why auditing?
It checks AI's ethics, Anastasia. Audits ensure fairness, and I'm excited to learn. It's like an ethical exam. This keeps AI honest.
Cross-cultural ethics are vital. They respect diverse values, avoid cultural biases, and use global frameworks to promote inclusive AI. This unites humanity through AI. I'm so excited to explain. Let's embrace diversity. This fosters global fairness. Isabella, why cultural ethics?
They honor all cultures, Anastasia. Inclusive AI respects everyone, and I'm thrilled. It's like a global bridge. This makes AI universal.
AI must protect human rights. It addresses surveillance risks like privacy violations, ensuring ethics uphold human dignity. This is moral AI's core. I'm thrilled to explore it. Let's safeguard rights. This respects humanity. Isabella, why human rights?
They're universal, Anastasia. Protecting rights through AI is crucial, and I'm excited. It's like a moral shield. This ensures dignity.
Ethical AI transforms industries. It's applied in tech and finance, requiring compliance with responsible AI policies to build consumer trust. This drives ethical innovation. I'm so ready to discuss. Let's apply ethics in industry. This shapes trust. Isabella, why industry ethics?
They build confidence, Anastasia. Ethical industries gain trust, and I'm thrilled. It's like a trust badge. This powers ethical business.